Hello there, and a bit of an introduction to our business services. So we have IT consultants who have got experience in cloud, on-premises servers, etc. So it's quite a diverse set of expertise. So when you get somebody coming to your site, you're going to get the right person with consulting skills. So if you need to be able to set up SharePoint, if you have on-premises or an old mail system that you want to have migrated to the cloud, we can assist you with that. If you want to know the best system to use, if you have a graphic design agency or a CAD agency, we can put something in place. Sometimes the answer is not always exclusively using the cloud. Sometimes there's an in-between where you use an on-premises solution as well as a cloud solution to get the desired results. It's all about us working with you to work in a way that isn't going to be restrictive to the way you work. We don't want to come in and throw everything out and start all over again. We want to work with you to find a compromise, a solution that, first of all, offers data redundancy, so you're not going to lose your information if anything happens, and also data backups. And not only that, we want a system that is smooth and easy to transition into. We're consultants, so we listen, we look and we inspect what's going on. We get a good holistic overview of what the situation is. And from then on, we help you with solving your IT problems. So if you want a proper IT company, rather than some fly-by-night geeks or nerds, and if you're just all over it with your IT problems, then give us a call. We're IT near you. We're the computer support company near you in the greater Wellington region.